You know what? I am going to make the coronation one of the best. In fact, the best. Yes. So, that is it. What do you think about that?
It's okay. That's what you want.
What is going on? What is this thing I hear about you wanting to kill yourself? Huh?
If this is a way for you to discourage me, you better think well, bro.
Ibide, you startled us.
What, I startled you? You want to begin to imagine how I felt when father told me about his intentions to take the other title. Have you gone insane?
See, you know what? I am not in the mood for these arguments today. Okay?
Oh, I see. You are clearly not insane. You have just lost.
Obim! Obim! Help! Do something! Obim!
What is wrong?
Obim, don't do... What's wrong? Obim, get up! Stop! Obim! Obim, don't do this to me, Obim! Obim, stop! Obim! Obim!
What? Again? Again? What am I going to do now? I have no idea. No idea. What was I thinking? What were we all thinking? We shouldn't have brought up this topic of an Ozol title. In fact, who invented the Ozol title in the first place? That person must be very crazy. Because he has killed all of us. He has succeeded in heaping hot coal over our heads. Your Majesty, we thought he gave us a good thing. But in reality, he has given us a great punishment. A very horrible, absolutely terrible... Your Majesty, take me to him. Take me to him. Can someone begin to explain to me what exactly is going on here?
We have absolutely no idea, Father.
Doctor, I don't understand what you're saying. I was told that the lab will run extensive tests on my blood, my urine and saliva and everything. How come you're telling me that nothing is being found? Absolutely nothing. That means I'm fine. Wow. It's okay, doctor. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Nothing is being found. Then why am I sick?
I might not be perfect, but I love.
The Festival of Maidens is in 2 days. 2 days.
I know. And that is exactly why I decided to take the title tomorrow.
Are you doing this because of the princess? My son, I would have you know that the people of Umwebe have decided that the princess can conduct the ritual even though she's married or not.
I know. But if I take the title and survive, that means the people of Umurola will no longer be seen as outcasts, and the princess will be free to conduct the festival without any label on her forehead, and she should be accorded a high level of respect as Ozo's wife.
And what if you don't survive it?
Your Majesty, I am going to take the title whether you like it or not. You know I have the power to get the people of Umebe who will be glad to put the title on my head by the end of the day.
Very well then. He will have the title. But no elaborate ceremony. Because I don't want the people of Umuebe, including my children, to stone me to death should anything happen to you.
Deal. That is what I want.
Even rock and the fool, or
Yes? I beg your pardon. What do you mean by tomorrow? Hello? Hello? Obiago dropped phone on me. Obiago dropped call on me. Ha! Obiago is going to die. Obiago is going to die. It will be your fault. The fault of the king. The fault of Ife Melodike. The fault of whoever it is that invented the dangerous Ozo title.
Ekweme. Ekweme. You disrespected the sacred abode of your ancestors by pointing your filthy finger at the chief priest. The Ezedibe of Umwebe Kingdom, Eye of the Gods, the mediator between the known and unknown, seen and unseen. How dare you, mere mortal? Hey, quiet, let me talk. Don't do that, because if you do, you go home with a sizable whitlow on that finger, right here.
I will point it again and again and again. All this is happening because of my so-called ancestors. I will shout and I'll point the fingers again. If anything should happen to my nephew, Ezedibia, if anything should happen to Obiago, I will...
You will do what? You will do what? Oh, you empty material, a mundane skull. A mundane skull like you. You do what? What do you want to do? What do you think you can do? Like I said, except you want to return your home with a sizable whitlow on that finger right here. You disrespected the sacred abode of your ancestors. You come here to rant like a madman, to bark like a mad dog. Now leave this sacred Obi this moment. Leave!
Ezedibia. 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 Ezedibia.
My love, I don't like what you're doing. See, there is no guarantee that anything may happen if I should take the title. So why don't you relax and have faith?
It's not about having faith. It's about what is being said. I don't want anything to happen to you.
No, nothing is going to happen to me, my love. Listen, I am going to take the title and nothing will happen to me.
Why are you so stubborn?
My love, you're getting it all wrong. I am not stubborn. You may call me an extremist. If I decide on something, I must go to the end till I get it.
I don't understand it. I need to understand it. What has come over Obiago? Why is he so determined to do this tomorrow? Tomorrow! Tomorrow of all days.
Ibidiago, seriously, you are disturbing my peace.
Have you not been hearing me? Have you not been listening to all that I have been saying?
That's the point. I have been listening to every single thing you've said. But your problem is making my own problem worse, Ibidiago.
What do you mean by what you have just said, Beauty? Beauty, do not! Don't you dare walk out on me. What is wrong with this woman? I ask again, who exactly have I married?
Your Majesty, if Obiago wants to take the Ozo title tomorrow, by this time tomorrow, it's already an Ozo title holder.
Just like that?
Were you expecting me to disagree with you?
I was expecting you to say that you needed more time to be fully prepared. I was expecting you to say we needed to take some precautionary measures for the safety of Obiago's life. I was expecting you to put things...
With due respect, Your Majesty, you are the second person that has walked in here today to yell at me. And as a matter of fact, it is beginning to get on my nerves. If Obiago wants to take the Ozo title tomorrow, he will take it.
But are you not trying to see what I'm trying to explain to you?
That is not but. That is final.
Anamaju, ogini kamere opudanyo. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Kana bukosana dielu mirame finaya alu mere na banyo kili kana bukose anaya dielu hawa deka bose inefu ini kamere obudanyo. There must be cleansing in the land. Ochichiri warano pudanyo. Anamaju, ogini kamere opudanyo. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Then I heard a voice shouting, there must be cleansing in the land. Kiri kana bukosana dielu mirame finaya alu mere na banyo. Kiri kana bukose anaya dielu hawa deka bose inefu ini kamere obudanyo.
Are you going to hit me? And hit me. Go ahead and hit me, Obiago. I'm not going to be alive and watch you commit suicide. It is not going to happen. Never.
Uncle, for the last time, leave my way.
Move me. Go ahead and move me. For you to leave this house today, you will have to move me. Yes.
Uncle, whether you like it or not, I am going to take that title.
Fine. Good. Move me.
Uncle? Uncle?
Yes. What is it?
What is it? Did you hit him? Uncle, did you do anything to him?
I did not touch him.
Obiago, what is it again now? Uncle, are you sure you didn't hit? Obiago.
Obiago.
Obin.
Come back here. Huh? Where are you going? Where do you know in Umweme? Who do you know in Umweme that you're going to visit?
My prince, I said I am going out. I did not tell you where I am going to or who I am going to seize in Umwebe. So, why don't you just leave me alone and mind your own business?
You are my business, Beauty. We have an all-important ceremony today here in this palace that requires the presence of all intimate family members of this royal family, and you dare to step out?
Intimate. That's the word. I am your wife. I am not your sister, not your father. So please, would you just leave my way and let me just go,
If
please?
you are my wife, that makes you a bona fide member of this family. Yes, hello. What? Again? When did this happen? It's okay, thank you. Thank you. Ah! Trouble everywhere! Trouble everywhere!
Rubbish everywhere.
Father, it has happened again. It has happened, Father.
What? Obiago is down?
Oh yes, he's down.
Oh, that is it. This event is cancelled.
This event is not cancelled.
Did you not hear what my son just said?
I heard what your son just said clearly. But I also know that Obiago is quick to recover from this strange illness of his. So I say we wait.
Wait for what? For him to come here to die?
I doubt if that is the will of the gods. So, we wait.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You claimed on social media, on the news, that your hospital is the biggest in Nigeria, even in Africa, and you can't provide an air ambulance. Shame on you. I hope your hospital burns. I hope this country burns. I hope everybody burns. Obiago.
Uncle, what are we going to
I don't know. Obiago. Obiago. Are you alright?
Obi, are you okay?
Yes.
What is wrong, Obiago?
I see it happened again.
me.
I am very much alright. Like nothing happened. Yes, I'm strong now.
Just like that.
Uncle, we are running late. Let's go.
Obiago, go where? Are you out of your mind?
Obim, what are you saying?
Now look at me.
The things out of me now are fear and cowardice. If anything, or any spirit being wants me dead, they might as well take their last strike while I take the title.
Obim.
Are you coming with me or not?
Are you a princess?
Oh, my love for you is very pure. Obimo. I might not be perfect, but I love you.
We have come to the climax of a very rigorous process. I have made inquiries from all the laws of Ugiri in Umwebe. And the gods have confirmed that the residents of Obiago has flushed the curse placed on them. A curse placed by one of them. In anger, in frustration, in bitterness. As I initiate him into the otherhood. May the curse be lifted forever.
Ezamo, Akidia Maokani, you are the man of the gods, and I hold you in higher esteem. I know you cannot deceive us.
I thank you so much, Ekweme, for that compliment. But I'm wondering, where is this compliment coming from? The king has already ruled that the initiation takes place privately. And that is why we're not involving anything like music, any other thing that go with other initiation. For now, it's not needed.
That is where I'm coming from. If this initiation is going to kill him, please let it be stopped. We don't want to lose him.
Ezemo, he fainted again today. He finally woke up and insisted he must come for the initiation.
I am here and ready, very ready for the initiation. If both of you are not going to stay and witness it, please go home and wait for me.
Are you sure you will be alive to come home in one piece?
And I'm beginning to feel that both of you are resisting the gods. Both of you are resisting the gods.
How? We don't want to lose him.
Don't want to lose him.
Yes.
His resilience has wiped off a lot of curses and has opened a very new page. A new page in Umwebe. So he must be initiated today. Having fulfilled all the requirements, I, in my position as Ezemo of Umwebe Kingdom, signing before the seat of our progenitor, hereby declare you full-fledged Ozo title holder.
ọchịchịrị gbara n'obodo
ebe ọ na-egwe ịgba n'obodo siri ike ebe ọ na-egwe ọbụbọ siri ike maka ebe odigbo ụgbọ n'otu gwa n'ụlọbịa n'otu gwe n'ụlọbịa n'otu gwe n'isi kebe n'isi ogbe ya n'aka ọ ghara ọmacha ọgwụ nọ n'anụ ukwu ọ dị ego ọkada a na-amasị ọnụ tọgbuo mmiri kpọtakwa aka ọ ga-amụkide ahụ ọ bụrụ ibo
Heard a voice shouting, there will be cleansing in the land. Kirikirikana wupozana bielu mirame finanya alumere na banyo.
I've done it.
I can see it.
I demand an explanation as to what happened. And I expect you to start talking now.
And I will advise you to be calm, my king. Be calm, so people will not understand our king as waging war against the gods of Umwebe.
What exactly do you mean by that? I was the one that approved for him to be given the title. He finally got declared as an Ozo. And now all he could do is to transfer the curse upon my daughter? Why would he do a thing like that? Why?
Your Majesty, I know you want to get him arrested, but don't do that. My king, don't do that. I advise you, don't. Because if you do, the forces that watch over Ozo title will come for you.
What am I supposed to do now? My princess is lying lifeless at the palace right now as we speak. Doing nothing is not an option, and you know it.
And it might interest you to know that the princess has gone in to commune with the departed souls of Umwada in preparations for the festival. So, do not panic.
Zedibia, do you mean to say that the gods were behind what happened to the princess today? Are you trying to say that the princess will be okay before the prayers? Is that what you're trying to say?
Things will unfold in accordance with the dictates of the gods at the right time. Be calm and let's look forward.
But Father, this happened in the morning. There is still time.
Push a night, it's already 6 p.m. Check the time.
Even then, Father, she will wake up. I mean, she has to. Tomorrow is the Festival of Maidens.
What if she doesn't? This is why we are having this discussion. What if she doesn't wake up?
No, Father, I don't... Father, I don't even know what you want me to say or do, but...
The prince has a wife. All of you maidens, you have to pass whatever thing that you are facing now. Settle for her. That is not a good idea, if you ask me.
What do you mean? Your sister is sick. We have no idea what is wrong with her. There is no guarantee that she will be well by tomorrow. Unless you have a better idea, I think we are sticking with the choice of your wife.
Dad, what I'm saying is that things between my wife and I haven't been, good for some time. And I doubt if she would be enthusiastic or even interested in, performing the festival ritual.
But I'm very much interested. Greetings, Your Majesty. Hi, babe.
Very much interested in what?
In performing the festival rituals, Your Majesty. I just got back home. I've seen everything that has happened to the princess. I couldn't just help it but to feel pity for her, Your Majesty. So if performing the festival is a way to help, why not? I am willing. To you, my love. You know, I've just been thinking everything that's been happening between us, and I just want to say I'm sorry. Please, let bygones be bygones.
Just like that.
Shh. I said I'm sorry. Please.
Well, a good actor will always know when is the best time to make a solitary exit. If you will excuse me.
Thank you, my love. So, am I forgiven?
Before we begin, I would like to welcome the select maidens of Umorola. Initially, you were not supposed to be part of this festival because of a curse that ostracized you from other villages. But now that everything is over, I am so glad to welcome you in our midst.
Thank you.
Are the maidens in the house?
Yes.
None. I would like to remind us that we need a prayer, a serious prayer, for the speedy recovery of our beloved princess. And again, I would like to also call upon the person that decided to save this day on our behalf. Here is your task. Listen. You pick that is floating on top of that water, scoop some water, lift it up, pray for the princess, and pour the water in there. Young woman, why are the gods rejecting you? You are not talking.
Because I don't know. I don't.
You don't know? Really? Good. Repeat what you've done. Pick this, scoop some water, pray for the princess, and pour the water there.
Ikurumili, Ibele, Ibonyamiliaba, Oibepo.
Young woman, listen, I ask you for the very last time. Why are the gods rejecting you?
Because I don't know. I don't.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. Once again, scoop water from here, lift it up, pray for the princess, and pour the water in there.
Na wo nke ịtọ. Ibeluo na ịtọ. Ọtọ. Mmiri ga-ekpe ekpere.
Sedibia, what is going on? Huh?
Can someone please tell me what is going on here?
It all started. What? You called me on the phone for that matter. This doesn't happen except on a special occasion.
The people of Umebe Kingdom are about to celebrate their festival of maidens. And it appears that everything has been sabotaged as their princess has fallen in love with an outcast.
Oh, I see.
According to their custom and tradition, the king will have to appoint another maiden that will oversee the festival of the maidens. And that maiden is you.
Me? How is that possible? Because I am not even from Umebe.
I know. Once you become a wife to the prince, that will automatically make you a maiden of Umebe Kingdom.
How is that possible?
A love charm may not work on the maidens of Umebe Kingdom, but I don't think that is the same with their men.
Oh, wait. Are you saying I am going to use a love charm on the prince?
No, I mean, yes. You are going to use a love charm on him, but not the kind of love charm I make and give to people.
Well, let me get something. If you are not going to give me a love charm that I will use on the prince, what love charm am I supposed to use on him then?
You.
Me?
Inasmuch as I can produce a powerful love charm in Igbo land, I am also aware that there is no love charm that is as powerful as the sexual prowess of a beautiful maiden. That, my dear, that is what you're going to use on the prince. You will go to him. You will do everything possible to make him notice you. As soon as he does, you are going to make him see you as his wife. And that is where your mission begins.
Oh, okay. And after that?
And after that, beauty, the king will be compelled to choose you as the next maiden who is qualified to handle the rituals of the maidens.
Oh, wait. I thought the whole thing is just to get the prince to marry me. I thought that's just the whole mission.
Over the years, I've been able to produce a love charm that is very powerful in Olunibo. I have applied it on every kingdom successfully, but I have not been able to successfully apply it on the maidens of Umebe Kingdom. They say that the festival of the maidens is the curse. I want you to go to Umebe Kingdom and sabotage that festival of maidens for me. Just set your eyes on the prince, and that is where my work comes in. I will handle everything from my little kingdom. Beauty, when you do this for me, I am going to give you the kingdom of Umebe. You are going to rule over their kings and queens. The kings, the young, the aged will be under your control. You will rule the people of Umebe Kingdom.
How?
Why is it that she is not even saying a single word? She's going to die here and we may not even know the reason.
Ezedibia, this is not normal. Do something, Ezedibia.
What are you doing here?
Ona bu wanzari jwa for si chapter ka nwa. Mana wanza na agba obara kume ya. The last time we talked, I warned you. And I told you I will only spare your life on one condition. That condition is for you to stay clear. Stay away from my kingdom. Stay away from my kingdom. Now, what changed? What changed? Does it mean you no longer love yourself? You no longer like to live? You no longer like to have a long life? What is the problem with you?
It's a pity. It's a pity! The fact that you think that you can walk all over me like you did before. The fact that you think that you are stronger than myself is a laughable pity. It's a dibia of Umebe Kingdom.
Of course it is a laughable pity. Everything you've been displaying here, jogging, jumping like a little rat, is a laughable pity indeed. Oh yes, I told you. Wanza the job for Sisha Potaka. What?
Tell me, how did you perpetrate this your late mission? Little mission, you say? Before you start talking, I would like to make something. Nice one! Look at me shivering. Look at me shivering. I have not finished. What's that? I'm not done. No! How dare you!
My love, are you all right?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I beg you. Just take me out of this place. I beg you, take me. Just take me out of this place, I beg you. Just take me out. Please.
What happened?
There is a great difference between a man ministering from the ancestral stone
with the offer of his fathers, and a mere man who does talisman, charms, amulets, little things for me.
How do you mean?
I have come to let you know that I am aware you sent that maiden to catch the prince. You equipped her just to destroy the prince, to catch the prince in the speed of light. What do you stand to gain? What do you stand to gain, Wanza?
I am a man who succeeded in manipulating not just only the prince, but the entire Umebe kingdom. Should I not be respected? Should you not respect me for that? Akede, should you not respect me for that?
Everything is falling apart. The king will have no choice than to accept Obiago as his son-in-law, which means the princess will still go on with the festival rituals. I ask, what am I still doing in the palace? What?
I saw everything here. You don't need to repeat the event. But I insist you stay.
Why? Why would I stay?
If I didn't know you very well, I'm beginning to think that you're beginning to fall in love with the prince.
I've not fallen in love with anybody. I'm just tired of this fake life. I just want to leave the palace. I am tired.
A little more patient. More patient, beauty. More patient.
If you do not do something, I will make sure I do everything to make the prince hate me. I will frustrate this marriage. I just want to live here. You need to leave me. Take me out of the palace. I am tired. Take me out.
Your king refused to play my game. Your king refused to play my game. He refused the prince to marry the maiden I sent to that God-forsaken palace. And I dealt with him. I flogged him from here.
Your Majesty, what is it? What was it?
Someone slapped me. Where?
Did you say what it was?
How?
I
I think it's a good.
It goes weird. What's the problem? Why are you scaring me?
I am aware of all those. I am aware. I know of that event. But I ask you, you flogging the king metaphysically. Wanza, what do you stand to gain? What is your gain?
The curse on Umurola has always been my gain. The curse on Umurola has always been my gain. But you stupid men of Umebe Kingdom are planning to retrieve that curse. And that is not good for me.
Get back. You are too small. How dare you? What little thing. Now listen. No, stay quiet. For your own good. Make one more effort with a dead man. Hey! You are a dead man. If you try any funny thing, you're just too small for me. For the gods. The gods are behind this, solidly behind this, to heal the land. One more effort for a finished human being. You little human being with little faith. Hey, don't try any funny thing. Listen, you man of talisman, charms, amulet, vanity, whatever of a very low level in the darkened world. But I am a man of the gods. Don't dare me. Don't dare Umwebe. Don't dare the gods. Little rat. The festival of the maidens can never be cancelled. What it means is that we must celebrate it today. That we must do. But I will request to be given some time so I can settle this little misunderstanding.
Ezedibia, what is the meaning of this?
Iverie no kalien wusi. Malanke pelim penyele mpake.
Your Majesty, what it means is that we have a lot to discuss about. A lot.
Why? Cutie, why? I can't believe this. Why? Why did it have to be me? Why?
I'm so sorry, my prince.
And all this time I thought that I had found love. I thought that I had found the love of my life. I was happy with you. Why? Why? I thought I thought that all was good between you and I was ready to settle down and start my own family. And you do this to me?
Prince, I'm sorry. I am so sorry, please. Forgive me. Please.
Was any of this real at all? Is that a part of this that was real? Or was it all of us? Beauty.
My parents, it's impossible to deceive someone into giving you their heart without losing a part of yours. Please, I beg you. I am sorry. Forgive me, please.
Guards.
My king, my prince.
Throw this woman out of my palace.
Please, no, my prince, no. No, don't. My prince, my prince.
And to think that all this while we've believed that people of Umbrella were outcasts. My daughter was constantly harassed for nothing.
Your Majesty, you are not going to blame yourself. If only there was a sign. There was none.
I believe it is time for me to put an end to this madness.
Your Majesty, how do you mean?
Onyeze, are you going to tell me what you plan to do?
Father, as you are aware, Obiago has been confirmed as the first son of Umorola to be bestowed with the very prestigious title of Ozo of Umwebe in a very long time, Father. Lizzy Dibia here is present to confirm this as an act of the gods.
Exactly. I am in a position to confirm that the gods allow it to be this way for a reason.
And what do you think is the reason?
Healing in the land. It is obvious we have erred for so many years in the past. And the gods on their own decided to correct us.
And on the strength of that, Father, is there anything that would not allow you give your blessings so that your daughter can marry the man that she truly loves?
And who is that man?
The one that we all thought to be Anusu. The one that you constantly fought. The harder you fought him, Father, the more you were halted. And now we can see that all these things were engineered by the gods. I ask you now, Dad, now that our human strength has failed us, are you going to please allow the gods have their way?
Princess,
Father.
are you sure this man loves you enough to make you his wife?
Yes, Father. He loves me dearly, and I love him too. If you can approve of us, tomorrow he will come and get married to me.
If that be the case, who am I? I approve of this union.
Father, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And I see you. that declaration was the offer of the kingdom. Yes, the prayers of the maidens can hold tomorrow.
We pray for the protection of our surroundings, our bodies, and most importantly, our hearts. May we never experience the pain that comes from loving the wrong kind of man.
We pray for strength of the heart, of the spirit, and most importantly, of our bodies. May we always be able to fight to protect our dignity, even when it is won against 1,000 men.
We pray for hope for our children, born and unborn. May we never find ourselves in a position where we feel we have made mistake in raising our children.
We pray for fertility. May we never have to share the kind of tears that come from barren women. When the time is right, may we be surrounded by the happy cries of our children.
Adding to that, we pray for safety and smooth childbirth. May we never experience any form of complications that comes from childbirth, and may we live long enough to see the growth of our children and live long enough to carry our third generation.
We pray for good judgment and character. May we always remember that those qualities are more valuable to a woman than any amount of money or power.
And finally, we pray for more beautiful maidens, more successful maidens. We pray for maidens that should have the strength of body, heart of a lion, and the soul of an angel. We pray for women that will think like men and act like ladies. We pray that our young girls will grow to be like them, We all look at other societies, that their girls, their women who all want to emulate ours. They want to be like our maidens.
There's something unique about you. Something I've never seen in any other. Your resilience is second to none. Thank you for standing by me all through.
I should be the one thanking you for marrying me finally. And my honor, I promise to always love you.
Oh, I love you, baby. Thank you.
Na banyo na love sikike mu ila punikyo oh ya fia kwalo. Oh my love for you is very pure. I might not be perfect, but I love you. Osikwa mundo pimo. Oh, my love for you is very pure. I might not be perfect, but I love you. Osikwa mundo pimo. No tradition can change my love for you. No culture can change the way I love you. No tradition can change my love for you. No culture can change the way I love you.